What is up, guys? Welcome back to the next episode of the KSWAP Civic. I did say on a few of the videos I'd give you an update on the garage, and I'll give you an update on the back garden of the new house. So let's go have a look at the new spot where I will be building the new garage. So I haven't measured it yet, but it's a good spot for a garage. I also have a big side entrance, as you can see, the Mini, big enough to fit a good sized car through, and it's a big enough space for a big enough garage that's bigger than the garage we're actually in now. So that's the plan, guys. That whole plot there, this full size of it, is going to be a full garage. So I'm going to be buying a structure, obviously a big metal shed structure. It won't be anytime soon, as I'm broke with the new house and stuff and other projects going on. So yeah, we're going to head down to the garage now. So I'll see you when I'm there, and I just thought I'd give you the update. So yeah, guys, enjoy episode 10. What's up, everyone? Back down at the garage, gonna get a bit done. I'm gonna clean up around the car because I need to get underneath the car and do a bit of work, and there's tools everywhere, wheels everywhere, so I'm gonna get cracking on cleaning up around the car just to get it tidy so I'm not lying on any nuts and bolts. Don't forget, guys, you can support the channel by heading over to the website, grabbing yourself some cool merch, or signing up to either the Patreon or the YouTube membership program. If you do any of that, guys, I really appreciate it. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Finally got the sump off, whacked it with a hammer, and then Aaron got that red bar there from the top on the edge here, whacked it out. So I'm gonna pop the other one in now. have the radiator fan on and hooked up. I just need to find a pipe that goes from here to the bottom. Have my sump on, so I'm gonna fill it up with oil now. I'm gonna fill it up with like half decent oil, then obviously do an oil change when the car is up and running 100%. First off, let's get this oil filter out. Out with the old, in with the new. There you go, lovely new Honda blue oil filter is on. Lovely. So let's fill her up. So I just used the old feed line for the power steering. So all I need to do is sort the pipe from over here all the way over to the bottom of the new power steering pump and get my belt off Stephen tomorrow and put the belt on. The car's all oiled up. I am going to check it for gearbox fluid and then we'll be able to start the engine. So that's going to be it for now. I have other bits and pieces I need to get off Stephen tomorrow to finish off the cooling system. I need that sensor. I am going to run a few wires tonight just from the inside to the outside. I will show you all the loom bits that I've done in the next video. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, give me a comment, and don't forget, be dedicated. See you in the next one. Peace out. Right guys, before the camera dies and I go home, I've run the 2 wires out into the engine bay. 2 wires connect to these 2 wires here. It's a red and black on the conversion harness and a green wire. One is the temperature and one of them is temperature input, and then you have the fan input. I think that's what it says, fan temp, and those 2 wires get sent to the engine bay. Then on the conversion harness, this alternator 10 B10 goes onto the white plug on the EP3 loom, and it's a blue and white wire on the middle white plug. It's the 5th one in. Then over here on the main plug, the main white plug, you see this green wire here? That is your fueling. Then on the biggest black plug, you have an orange and green wire. That is your MIL, which is the engine light. Then we have on the small black plug, we have a green and white wire here. That is your brake switch. And you don't need the electric load detector as it's not an SIR or an EG9, so that's the ELD. So camera's about to go. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.